Air curtains provide comparable performance to vestibules and are even more effective in colder zones. In fact, studies demonstrate an air curtain reduces total annual air infiltration by about 62 to 67%, while a vestibule is limited to 23 to 24%. And air curtains at large industrial facilities can improve indoor microclimates, reduce the initial construction costs, and decrease energy consumption by 10 to 20%. Industries like precision manufacturing, high tech, and healthcare have high clean needs, and they need flying insects and particulate matter out so finished goods are not substandard or even defective. Healthcare settings need to be pathogen-free to protect patients from harmful bacteria and viruses. These facilities should consider Mars HEPAC and Mars UVC to improve indoor air quality with their use of True HEPA filters and UVC light technology. Industrial facilities usually have large entryways or dock doors that need to be kept open for prolonged periods to allow the easy movement of staff and material. And warehouses and food processing facilities often need to separate indoor environments at different temperatures. These types of facilities should use strong, industrial air curtains that can span wider openings, so they should consider the High Velocity 2 Series, the Extra Power 2 Series, the WindGuard series, and the wind-stopping heavy-duty AMCA-certified industrial air curtains. And when entryways and other spaces need to minimize sounds, Mars offers the Quiet Pro with internal dampening design and anti-vibration technology to produce half the noise levels, and the Phantom series that recess mounts to reduce sound output. Mars offers a comprehensive range of air curtains that fulfill a variety of needs across industries. Use the product selector at marsair.com for a specific recommendation for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about Mars air curtains and how they can help your business.